$50, $90, and $100. These are paid out in one day. It requires no investment, and the best part is it works in every country: United States, Canada, India, Nigeria, Pakistan, and all you have to do is upload files and earn $14 per file you upload. This is a secret method that not a lot of people know, so keep watching till the end of this video to make big money. This is how to earn money by uploading files this year 2022. The name of this site is upforever.com. This is one of the best pay per upload website. This site will help you to make money uploading files. Basically, when you upload your files on this site, it will create a unique link for your files, and whenever someone will click on that link you will make money. You can also watch this video for more information. Click on payment proofs option and you will find many Up4Ever payment proofs on this page. And if you scroll down to the end, you will find that they have pages and pages of payment proofs. Now click on make money, and on this page you will find how file upload earn money. This is the table of profit per 1,000 downloads. As you can see, if people from Tier 1 country downloaded your files, you will earn $7 per 1,000 downloads. From Tier 2 and Tier 3 country, you will earn $4 each. And from Tier 4 country you will get $3. Under this table you can see, the Tier 1 country includes United States and Canada. Tier 2 includes Australia. Tier 3 includes Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates. And Tier 4 includes all other countries left. And I will show you how you will get the audience to download your files from US and Canada for free. So like this video and subscribe to the channel with notifications on, and stay tuned until the end to make money. The thing I like the most about this site is that they have many payment methods, making it easy for all country members to withdraw their money with the payment methods available in their country. There is PayPal, Payeer, Skrill, Neteller, Payoneer, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other payment methods. And you can see that they have paid plans also, but we don't need paid plans to make money with it. We will use the normal membership, which is free. Click on register now, and on this page, click on sign up option on the top. Now on next page, create your username, your password, retype your password and submit your email. Then check this box and click on sign up. They will send you a confirmation mail. Click on activate my account and you will be able to log in. Here you will be able to see your name. Click on this and select my account from the options available and you will be taken to your dashboard. They will give you 120 GB storage for free, meaning you can upload many files and can make big money with this site. And on the left side, you will be able to see many options. I suggest you to complete your payment information first. If you come from Algeria, Egypt, Tunisia, Morocco, or Turkey, you have separate options available to take out your earnings. And for rest of the countries, select global. Now you can choose your payment method and fill in your details. And then, click on save settings on the bottom of the site. Now, I want you to click on upload files and it will take you to the next page. Read these two notifications carefully and after that click on choose file and select the file or image you want to upload on upforever.com. You can see the file and you can add a description to the file if you want. And after that, simply click on start upload and it will start uploading the file. After this, click on the file and it will show you many different links which you can use. But for this method, we will use this download link only. Whenever someone will click on this link, Up4Ever will show some ads to them which will help Up4Ever to make money and they will share their earnings with us. Now, I want you to come over to YouTube and search for Scary Rising Sound Effect. As you can see, on a 35-second video they have got over 800,000 views. And there are many small 11-second videos with over 30,000 views and 50,000 views. And these sound effects are not created by them. They have simply uploaded it to YouTube from other copyright-free websites. And don't worry, I will show you from where you can find unlimited copyright-free sound effects for completely free. Most of these channels are not even monetized with AdSense. Still, they are earning $1,000 to $3,000 per month using the secret method to make money online, which I am about to reveal. What they exactly do is, they download the sound effects from other sites and upload it to upforever.com. And they leave their Up4Ever download link in the description of these videos. Like this video, they have Up4Ever download link. And they make a ton of money doing this. Now imagine, if you get only 100,000 views in 30 days, you will still be able to make $700. And it is very easy to get 100,000 views on this kind of video. Moreover, people who are looking for different sound effects for their video, 90% of them end up clicking on your download link in the description because they need it for their YouTube video. Now, to find the unlimited copyright-free sound effects, you have to come over to pixabay.com. This site will help us to find different copyright-free sound effects. And the more sound effects you upload, the more money you make. For this, click on sound effects on the top. And on this page, you can find unlimited sound effects which you can use for this method. If you type scary suspense in this box, it will show you many sound effects similar to the YouTube videos I showed you. For example, if you play dark piano tension, you will find that this is the similar version of the video, which was using Up4Ever download link in its description. And if you want to make more money, click on the video showing on screen right now.